BMF.
Nate Shaw, coming to you live from Studio 2 at the Brooklyn Music Factory. I'm here to talk to you about why we love to write original songs. At the Brooklyn Music Factory, we have CDs that prove it. We've written hundreds of songs every single year, literally thousands since the day we opened our doors. There are a bunch of reasons why writing an original song is a great idea. Having an original song approach like we do is awesome. I'm going to share 5 with you. The first is that writing an original song reminds our musicians and requires them to flex that creative muscle every single week. And that is essential. Creativity is not something you can just tap anytime you want. It is a muscle like any other that needs to be worked out regularly. Number 2, songwriting promotes teamwork. Okay, playing in a band is a great way to learn how to work as a team. But co-writing a song as a band, that takes teamwork to a whole nother level. Writing an original song as a band really helps our students understand how to listen to one another and to respect everyone's opinion. The third reason we love songwriting is because it promotes a story-first approach. Let me explain what I mean by that. I'm a pianist. I spend most of my career learning how to play the parts on the piano that I need to for whatever gig is coming up. Chord progressions, melodies, whatever it is I'm working on, I'm focused on the keyboard. And what do I forget to do? I forget to focus on the lyrics, the story being told, and the fact that there's a singer that's trying to deliver that story. So, writing original songs with our students from the little age of 4 all the way on up, it reminds them every single week that there is a story being told and the parts they're playing are all in support of that story. Okay, the fourth reason, that we love songwriting is because it actually helps us build a larger community. When you're at the Brooklyn Music Factory band party and there's 25 bands up there playing and they're all playing an original song, that totally inspires the musicians in the room to go figure out what motivated that particular song that another band played. I have watched a little girl who wrote a song called Lemonade inspire another girl in the audience to walk right up after the performance was done and say, "Hey, I love Lemonade. Tell me about your song." It's amazing what songwriting does. It inspires creativity out of other musicians, and it inspires other musicians to discover everyone's story. The fifth reason we love songwriting is because all of those blam games that you've been playing on big music games, all the games that we play with our students that strengthen rhythm, harmony, melody, and songwriting, those 4 fluencies that every great musician has, those games get stronger through writing an original song. Why? Because you have to make rhythmic choices when songwriting. You have to make melodic choices. You have to know what chord progression you want to use, harmonic choices, and of course, song form is essential too. So songwriting really strengthens the musical mind. That music theory that you're learning, you're putting it to use in an original song. That's why we love songwriting. That's why we are dedicated to making CDs every year and putting out hundreds of original songs. Come write a song with us. And if you ain't going to do it at the Brooklyn Music Factory, please do it wherever you are in the world. Write a song today.
BMF.